Hi, Matt Wilford here, Project Manager for ICI Custom Homes, and I'm extremely excited to show you one of our recently closed, and when I say recent, I mean the homeowners are headed to closing right now, extremely satisfied homeowners on this beautiful, brand new custom ICI home. This is in Deer Creek, which is well established, a very beautiful neighborhood here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I just wanted to give you a preview, have you take a look at the inside of this home. Take a look at some of these pictures we're going to show you. Now, ICI Custom Homes can take one of our plans, we can modify it to fit on your lot and to accommodate all your needs. Just go to ICICustomHomes.com to get with one of our representatives, and they can help you along the process. We are just so pleased with this brand new home in established Deer Creek, beautiful golf course community. Just want to say we look forward to meeting you and building your dream home.